Alright, let's just see how far we can go.
The waypoint has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So the numbers at the bottom left, you have your height, the H, and the D is the distance. So I'm almost 300 feet right now. There we go. Let's go back down to about 300 feet and just so it's telling me I'm out of compliance. I'm pushing the wrong lever, that's why. I was trying to go forward and I'm going upward. Let's go back down to about 300 something. Okay, there we go. I think we're okay right there. Look down. It's 281 over there to the right. We're 1,500 feet distance. There's about 6,000 feet in a mile, I believe. So if we get to 3,000 feet, then that's about a half a mile away. High wind velocity, fly with caution. What? And land in a safe place ASAP. Okay, I'll land when I come back. Still got a good signal, so I'm doing fine. Okay, it's starting to glitch a little bit, my video signal. Not the signal that I'm using to control it with, just a signal that's allowing me to see. So it's over to the other side of the subdivision. This is where our amenities are. Over on that side. Look at that. I'm about a half a mile or so. It's hard to tell exactly where I'm at. Everything looks so different from up in the sky. 500 feet away. I still have a pretty strong signal. Starting to fade out about right there. My video is starting to fade out. So, still got 73% battery. There's a swimming pool. Looks like. If I can make it. Yeah. Some model homes down there. There's our swimming pool. Doesn't look like a lot of people in the pool today. And I don't, if I go down, I could go down and get a closer look, but the chances are if I go down, I'm gonna lose signal. I'll start to lose signal big time. Probably if I start to go down too low. You know, obviously you get a better signal when you're up high. Yeah, see? Starting to fade on me, looks like. So, that's probably the best I can do. I think we're gonna bring it on home. Still got 64% battery. You can see the propellers in that shot. It's because the camera I have pointing up kind of high. Point it down a little bit. In the bottom left corner, that little map you see there, you can see the aircraft, the red aircraft there, and then that red line in front of it is my path home. So, went quite a ways. I can actually hear it coming back, so it's getting close. Yeah, there's my home location right there. Yeah, it's kind of straight above me right now, so let's go ahead and bring her down. Home sweet home.